Today, we're diving into a cool new feature on Instagram, the Prompts feature on Instagram Notes. But first, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, or you might not see this feature yet. Now let's jump right in and learn how to use it. To start, head over to your Instagram direct messages. Want to create your own prompt? Easy. Just tap on the note or a speech bubble above your profile photo. It's the same spot where you'd normally add a simple note. From there, you'll see an option to post a regular note or to create a prompt. Once you select prompt, start typing your question or topic. You can even add your own answer to get the conversation started. Instagram lets you decide who can see your response to a prompt. You can select either just your followers that you also follow back or your close friends list. So it's easy to keep things personal or open up to a wider group. As people respond to your prompt, you'll see their answers just like they see yours. If you want to respond to a friend's prompt, just find their profile in your DMs where they've posted a prompt. Tap on it, and a screen will pop up showing the prompt and any responses from others. To add your own response, tap on Add a Response and start typing. Once you're done, just hit send. This is a fun way to share your thoughts with friends or add to an ongoing conversation. And that's it. Instagram prompts make it super easy to connect and engage in a new way. So go try it out, start a conversation, and have some fun with your followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your favorite ways to use Instagram prompts. See you in the next video.